It's raining! So it's not a perfect day on Ischia. Not what I expected. I thought it was going to be beautiful sunny weather this morning. So I've got the yoga mat out. Get your yoga mat and let's work together and practice yoga. It's raining, but it's beautiful.
Let's begin variations on Surya Namaskar. Bring the hands together. Inhale, bring the arms above the head. And exhale, coming forward. Inhale, right leg. And hold your breath with the left leg. Slowly exhale the knees, then the chest and the chin. Inhale to come forward into Cobra. Exhale into the Downward Dog. Right leg is forward. And the left. And inhale, bringing the hips forwards, slightly back. And exhale. We work on the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lifting, pushing the hips. Exhale to come forward. Inhale, the left leg comes back. Hold the breath for a moment. Exhale the knees, then the chest and the chin. Inhale deeply into the Cobra. Exhale, Downward Dog. Inhale, left leg is forward. Exhale, the right comes in. And inhale, pushing forwards and up. The hips come forward and drop a little back. And exhale. Let's work with the next round. Exhale, hands together. Inhale deeply. Exhale to come forwards. Inhale, right leg, lifting the head. Hold the breath, the left, just for a moment. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, the Downward Dog. The right leg comes forward, lifting the head. Slowly exhale the left leg. And a wonderful deep inhale to come up and a little back. And exhale. Let's work with the next. Exhale, hands together. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, coming forwards. Hands to the mat. Inhale, left leg, head is up. Hold the breath. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, the Downward Dog. Inhale, left leg comes forward. Exhale slowly the right. And coming forwards and up and a little back. And exhale. Let's go for the next. Inhale deeply. Exhale, hands together. Inhale. And exhale to come forwards. Inhaling, the right leg comes back. And here we do a variation. We're going to lean over onto the right side, bringing the head down. And breathe deeply. Slowly inhaling and exhaling. And then coming back up. Bring the left leg back. Hold the breath for a moment. Exhale, knees. Then the chest and the chin. Hold it here for a moment with deep breaths. Deep breaths. Inhale up into the Cobra. Exhale back. Downward dog. Hold it for a moment. Deep breaths, deep breaths. And then bring the right leg forward. Now we're going to sink onto the left side for about 4 or 5 breaths, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 coming up. Exhale, left leg comes in. Come forward with the arms, inhale all the way up and slightly back, and then exhale. Let's work with the next one. It's a deep inhale, exhale. Inhale up and back, exhale to come forwards. Let's work with the right leg coming back. And we're going to lean over onto the side, to the right side. Deep breathing here. Coming back up, bring the left leg back, then the knees, chest and chin sink. Inhale into the cobra, holding it for a moment. Exhale back into the down dog. Deep breaths here, deep breaths. Then inhale, bringing the left leg forward. And again we're sinking onto the right side. I think I got that a little bit mixed up. Stay here for a moment. And coming back up, exhale, the right leg comes in. And bring the arms around the leg and fold the head in towards the knees. Tummy's in a little bit, breathe deeply. Relax the upper back. Shoulders relax. Inhale, come forwards, up, and a little back. And exhale. Let's work with the next one. So deep inhale, slow exhale. Inhale, up and a little back. Exhale to come forwards. Relax shoulders. Inhale, right leg is back. Lifting the arms up. And stay here for a few breaths. Keeping the shoulders relaxed. And the hands to the mat. Bring the left leg back. Exhale, drop the knees. Then come forward onto the chest and chin or head if you need to. Holding it for a moment. Deep, deep breathing. Inhale, slide forward like a snake into the cobra. Holding it for a moment. Exhale, the down dog. Again, pausing for a moment. Inhale, the right leg comes forward. We're going to lift up, stretch the arms towards the sky. And deep breaths here. And 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Coming forwards, bring the left leg in. With a deep inhale, come forwards, up, and a little back. And exhale. Inhale, exhale, bring the hands together. Inhale, coming up and back. And exhale to come forwards. Inhale, and the left leg is coming back. Lifting up the arms above the head. Hold it here for a moment. Bringing the hands to the mat and the right leg comes back. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Holding it for a moment. Then let yourself sink and push up into the cobra. Again, holding it for a moment. Deep breaths. Exhale into the down dog. Inhale. So the left leg is forward. Again, raising the arms up above the head. Breathe deeply. Exhale, hands to the mat and the right leg comes in. shoulders relaxed. Inhale, coming forwards, up, and a little back, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, a little faster this time. Inhale, right. Hold the breath, left. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, left. And a deep inhale, up and back. And exhale. Left side, inhale and exhale. We're speeding up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, left, holding the breath. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, the down dog. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, right. Inhale, and a little back. And exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, still speeding up, exhale to come forward. Inhale, right, hold the breath. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, right, exhale, inhale, find that stretch, coming a little back, exhale, last one, inhale and exhale, inhale up, exhale forward. Inhale left. Hold the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale left. Exhale. Hold it here for a moment. And inhale to come up. Allow the body to relax for a nice deep back bend. And exhale. And let's lay down in Shavasana and completely relax for the next few minutes, couple of minutes. And the arms lay to the side of the body. The legs are relaxed, the feet, the knees, the hips relax. Let the entire spine relax. The abdomen and chest relax. Shoulders, arms, hands and fingers relax. The neck and the head relaxes. The muscles of the face, the eyes, the brain relaxes. And just be at peace on the mat with nothing to do for the next minute. Then stretch the arms above the head. Take your time and come up to sitting. And we'll chant 3 times Om and 3 times Shanti together.